Are you looking for the best beach chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best beach chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Tommy Bahama Backpack Beach Chair. If you're not in the market for a telescope chair, there's always Tommy Bahama, a tried and true beach brand that makes one of our favorite less expensive beach umbrellas. Admittedly, there's a certain aesthetic to these chairs. When Bobby Grazios closed on his house in the Rockaways, his broker left him two as a present. When we got them, we were like, oh God, Tommy Bahama, he remembers. Then we started walking around and saw everyone else had them. That's because, if you can get over the vacationing dad at Margaritaville look, they have really convenient backpack straps and two sizable back pouches, one of which is a very rare insulated cooler that fits about 6 cans. The frames are aluminum, so they won't rust, the chair lies completely flat, and a drink and cell phone pouch hangs off the armrest. Grazios was so taken that when he opened Beach Tripper, his former company that offered beach chair and umbrella rentals along Rockaway Beach, he bought Tommy Bahama chairs to rent out to his customers. At number 2. Sunflow Beach Bundle. I originally tested out this Sunflow chair, a Shark Tank success story, under the assumption that it was essentially a slightly cheaper imitation of our favorite telescope recliner. Indeed, the two chairs are similar in the way they feel to lounge on, and both designs utilize rust-resistant metal and marine-grade fabric. The telescope chair is more lightweight and elegant looking, but Sunflow sells a much larger range of optional accessories. As well as a sunshade, you can clip a water bottle holder, dry bag, pillow, and even sunglasses case onto the chair, thereby keeping all of your beach day essentials within easy reach. This makes it a great choice for anyone who truly commits to lazing on the sand all day without getting up. You could definitely finish your book while reclining on this chair. At number 3. MacSports Beach Day Lounger. Strategist contributing writer Margaret Eby transformed her beach-going experience with this combination utility cart and beach chair featuring oversized plastic wheels that can conquer both boardwalks and sand. The chair's handle, she explains, is sturdy and easy to maneuver, and once I steer it to my preferred destination, I set up my blanket and unload the cooler, beach tent, towel, and my overstuffed tote. In order to fully convert the chair, you simply detach the mesh walls, flip the bottom down to make a footrest, a rare feature for mobile loungers, and adjust the trolley into a chaise. Unlike with many beach chairs, Eby writes that this one accommodates all bodies. As a fat person, I found many other beach chairs to be uncomfortable or flimsy, but the MacSports chair is roomy and well built. And while I'm usually only transporting beach supplies for my partner and me, I could see it coming in handy if you had kids or a larger group. Per the product description, it can hold up to 100 pounds in cart mode. At number 4. Ostrich Chaise Lounge. For that true vacation feel, you can't overlook a chaise. Strategist contributor and longtime beachhead Bianca Buchanan told us that this one, which has 3 reclining positions, folds up really well, despite the fact that it's very large, and has a strap, so you can carry it around. Once unfurled, it has a hole for your head like one you'd see on a massage table, so you can lie on your stomach and tan, Buchanan explains. It doesn't get much more relaxing than that. Ultimate luxury lounging, experience unparalleled comfort with our Ostrich Lounge Chaise featuring an open/close face cavity, arm slots, and a pillow for the epitome of relaxation. Effortless portability, effortlessly transport and store your lounge chair with its lightweight, foldable design and convenient carrying strap, ideal for beach trips, poolside lounging, and camping adventures. Built to last, crafted with rust-resistant aluminum, alloy steel frame, and heavy-duty polyester fabric, this chaise lounge is designed for durability and longevity, enduring the test of time. Stay cool and dry, our seat material is engineered for quick drying and excellent breathability, ensuring a sweat-free, comfortable lounging experience even on the hottest days. Versatile comfort, with patented open/close face cavity and armholes, you can lounge on your back or stomach. Choose from 4 positions to recline or lay flat, and enjoy the luxury of your personal tanning bed, massage table, or reading chair wherever you go. At number 5. Lawn Chair USA Webbing Chair. Simple and old school, these classic chairs are a favorite of New York City-based photographer and regular day tripper Jennifer Trahan. She keeps 2 of them in her car at all times. The chairs are deceptive, They look appealingly retro and come in many different colors but have an updated construction with slightly stretchy UV-resistant webbing, meaning the seat isn't uncomfortably stiff. Nor will it sink to the ground. An aluminum frame, meanwhile, makes the chair plenty durable in coastal conditions. These are available in high-back and low-rise styles. About this item. Family-owned and made in the USA, Lawn Chair USA started in 2010 with a goal to bring back an all-American classic, the folding aluminum webbed lawn chair. Since then, we've grown the business and take pride in our work and excellent customer service, ensuring that every chair is made in the USA. Lightweight and durable, our aluminum frame is rust-free and conveniently lightweight. The UV-resistant webbing is sturdy and designed with a little stretch for ease and comfort. These lawn chairs fold flat, allowing you to easily carry them and store them in your trunk or garage when not in use. Vintage and modern styles, Lawn Chair USA patio furniture comes in different styles, from our high-back beach chair designed to picnic chairs to our magnet chairs. We offer 5 sizes and over 30 different color combinations. For the park, concert, or tailgate, choose from over 30 color combinations from minimalist black and white to striking bold hues, your team colors, or the classic red, white and blue. There is an outdoor folding chair to match any event you'll attend. Built for the outdoors, from backyard barbecues, beachside picnics, and sports games, these patio chairs are the perfect fit for the outdoors. Made with a lightweight aluminum frame coupled with our water and fade-resistant webbing weaved in a durable T-bar design for strength and durability. At number 6. ALPS Mountaineering Simmer Camping Chair. More affordable, though double the weight of Helinox's Chair 1, is this slingback seat beloved by strategist writer Dominique Pariso. She used it as a beach chair all last summer everywhere from Reese to Brighton Beach and on trips to Fire Island. This chair's hydro flask-size bag clips onto a tote bag and is, therefore, much easier to lug through the sand than the Tommy Bahama recliner Pariso used previously. And the seat is made from ripstop nylon mesh that'll dry very quickly. The ALPS Mountaineering Simmer chair can be brought on any adventure. The Simmer is under 5 pounds, and packs into its included 6-inch by 4-inch x 17. 5-inch carry bag. The sturdy powder-coated steel frame is shock-corded together for quick, frustration-free setup. The included carry bag also attaches to the chair to double as a zippered accessory pocket. At number 7. Coleman Portable Camping Quad Chair with Fork and Cooler. Our favorite camping chair is perfect for the beach, as it's designed with a roomy insulated cooler sleeve that can store a day's worth of drinks and snacks. While many big box store quad chairs are created equal, Coleman stands out for being larger in size and padded for comfort while still plenty affordable. In addition to the cooler, it has a handy side pocket so you won't have to leave your phone and wallet in the sand. Travel journalists and photographers Bertie and Emily Mandagi, the husband and wife duo behind the outdoors-focused website The Mandagis, have recommended this chair to us in the past. More than 38,000 5-star Amazon reviews glow with praise. As one happy customer writes, "There's plenty of room in the seat. I can sit crisscross applesauce in it. It's sturdy enough for my kids to sit on my lap without feeling like it will tip, dip, or break.